Hey guys, today we're gonna back up our phone contacts to our Google account. So before we start, make sure you press that subscribe and notification button to receive more updates. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our contacts. Then we click the three buttons here, and then we click manage contacts. Then contacts to display, make sure all contacts is selected. Then press check, and then what we're gonna do is press import export contacts. Then we're gonna press export and then click all contacts. Then we're gonna name our contacts backups 1. Then click export. Then we're gonna save it right here. Now all our contacts have been saved into a file. Now next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our Chrome. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna press this button over here, and then we press contacts, and then we can stay on web, and then click import contact, then select file, and then press media. Then you should see your backup over here at the top on recent files. Then you click on that and then press import, then wait for a while, and then all our contacts have been backed up to our Google account. So I do hope that you find this video very helpful. See you next time.